Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. We do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame, as you remember, since 18th of July, before we reached to $24,000 and $25,000, I always keep telling in advance that it's going to be very challenging. 24,500, ideally 24,800 and $25,000. And as you can see, in the last week's candle, we saw 25,053, and the previous weeks that we saw $24,700. However, yesterday, last night, after we closed the weekly time frame, we took all these highs with a $200 difference. All these shorts, based on a lower time frame, they got stopped out with this candle. And also, market has started again with yesterday's weekly close with a bullish engulfing candle, a bit excited. As I'm keep mentioning, even in today's educational content as well that I shared earlier on, if you get this type of bullish pin bars, bullish as well as bullish engulfing candles below the resistance, these ones have a less effect. As we saw that the resistance levels are heavily under the daily time frame. Based on a weekly time frame, SR levels are still the same. As I said, the key level is going to be based on a weekly time frame, $33,000 all the way up to 36.5. Without claiming these levels, it's early for us to talk about. As I said, the weekly time frame will get back to the consolidation level. I know the market is expecting $28,000. Some people are expecting even $30,000 breaking this, and we will go back to a bull run. However, it's not a case from my end. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, $60,000 and $59,500 were exit level. Perfectly broke the support 26th of November and then retested to the dollar. Since then, we saw first dump all the way up to 43% on a daily time frame. A bit of consolidation when we saw the second leg down. That provided, as I said, 70% dump in the market. However, with the current price action, without getting an exit signal based on a daily time frame, you might be, if you exited around $60,000, you are in profit 60%. And you do the math if you're doing 10 times or 5 times leverage. As I said, daily time frame heavily under the bear's control. In the last two videos, I'm keep mentioning as long as we're going to be above $22,500, daily time frame will be under the consolidation. However, the important levels based on a daily time frame is going to be $30,000 in the first place, all the way up to $33,000. Without claiming these two levels, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a daily time frame. So I'm giving two different levels, the resistance levels. One is going to be $30,000, another one is $33,000, because it all depends on a time. After 2 to 3 weeks, if we're going to pump and break $30,000, then $33,000 is going to be invalidated. However, in the short period of time, which I'm not expecting, if we're going to pump straight away to the $30,000, and we might get stopped out at around $33,000. So it all depends on a time factor based on a daily time frame. So there is no need to panic at this stage. Again, I'm repeating that if you manage to exit from $60,000, $59,500 without breaking $30,000, there is no need to panic or exit from the market. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. During the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as soon as we broke and claimed this $20,000, ideally $21,500, $21,000, we had a perfect long setup, and perfectly, as you remember, retested to the dollar with a system that we're following, the hybrid system, and then we started pumping all the way up to $25,000. So the target levels has been provided, as I said, weeks in advance based on a daily time frame, 24,800. That, as you can see, how many days we got rejection right from here, and again around $24,300, $500. The next one, $24,600. Last week we got again rejected number of times. As I said yesterday, we got an SFP and stopped out the early shorts, and then we saw another minor dump in the market. So from 21,500, 21,000 average, 21,200 level, we saw a massive pump, which was the daily resistance, 18% pump in the market. And again, with a current price action, you're in profit 14%. And if you're doing leverage, again, you do the maths with a 5 and 10 times. And again, based on a 4-hour time frame, there is no need to panic and still early to call an exit signal based on a 4-hour time frame. Breaking this level, 25,000, claiming it as a support, the next level I have to watch is going to be 26 all the way up to $26,500. But I will update in the next videos or via post. However, the support levels are extremely important based on a 4-hour time frame. Is going to be $22,800 all the way up to $23,000. Without losing these levels, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bearish scenario based on a 4-hour time frame. However, losing 23,700, the 4-hour time frame will get back into the consolidation. And again, it's not really something that you need to panic at this stage. Recently, I shared the educational content, a bit of explanation how to work with these 4 bullish candlestick patterns, as well as the latest updates, the market updates, and instant altcoin setups. You can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Based on a 1-hour as well as 2-hour time frame, this resistance is going to be extremely important. That's going to be 24,300 all the way up to $24,550, $600. Without claiming this resistance as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a 1-hour as well as the 2-hour time frame. However, 2-hour time frame still under the bull's control, but 1-hour time frame already in the consolidation zone. Rejecting from this level, then I will be keeping an eye on 23,900 based on a 2-hour time frame. Then that will lead us to go all the way up to 4-hour support level, which I mentioned earlier on. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.